Hello, I'm Sarah Dawn of Sarah Dawn's Designs, and today we're talking how to do the cables you see in the Palomar top. We're working in the absolutely gorgeous Bella Tweed yarn from Universal Yarns and using a KNITMuch rainbow wood cable needle to hold the cable stitches in place. Let's start with the 2x2 right cross, so named since the cable crosses to the right. Take the next two stitches from the left-hand needle and slip them purlwise onto the cable needle. Put the cable needle at the back of the work. Now knit two stitches from the left-hand needle. Then the two stitches from the cable needle. That's it! You've done the 2x2 right cross. What about the left cross? It's almost exactly the same. Take the next two stitches from the left-hand needle and slip them purlwise onto the cable needle. Put the cable needle at the front of the work. Knit two stitches from the left-hand needle. Then the two stitches from the cable needle. And that's the 2x2 left cross. If you're following along with the Palomar top pattern, you will have also seen the 2x1 right purl across and 2x1 left purl across cables, and you can find that tutorial on screen right now. Thanks for watching and happy knitting!